What's going on, guys? This is a quick video to show you how to install the VR Tune box from Vivid Racing. This one is specifically for the 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Here is the tune box right there. So I'm going to set it right there. Before you start everything, you want to take your keys out, lock all your doors, wait 5 minutes before installation. Within this whole duration of installing this, you do not want to open any of the doors. Other than that, that's what you do before you install that. You want to take this cover off here. It's fairly easy. There's 4 corners here, one here, there, and here. And it's easy. You just pull up and it comes right off. I have the harnesses installed already because I was trying to find out the spots before I made this video, and I tried to take out the clips, but they jam in there pretty good, so I didn't want to break them trying to take them out. The harness itself, you hook them into 3 different spots. They're spliced up into 2 for each of the sensors. So what you want to do is, here's a sensor here for the camshaft position sensor. The intake manifold sits in the back here, and then the boost pressure one sits here. What you want to do is you want to take the original one out, plug it into the harness, and the plug itself that you unplug at first, you plug it into the other side of the harness. You do that with the 3 sensors there. Very easy. I have a second video, it's going to be in the description, going to show you exactly where the sensors are going to be. Still trying to figure out where I want to put all my wires in the tune box itself, but it's very easy. Put it in the tune box here. You want to pull this purple lock in tight here. Line up everything. Once you kind of push it in, you push this purple lock place in, and it locks it in place. Very, very easy, guys. Sorry, I'm a little nervous right now, but that's pretty much it. Once you plug everything in, try to figure out where you want to put the tune box itself, and yeah, that's very easy. So thanks for watching, guys.